It's 2026, and BMW has decided to completely blur the line between luxury, performance, and futuristic tech. These new BMW models aren't just upgrades. They feel like a preview of the next decade on wheels. From the moment you see them on the road, there's this instant realization that BMW has gone all in. Whether you're talking about design, driving feel, or the insane level of technology packed inside. Let's start with the way these cars look, because that's the first thing that hits you. BMW's 2026 design language is bold, confident, and unapologetically modern. The signature kidney grille is still here, but now it's smarter, literally. In many models, it's integrated with sensors, cameras, and adaptive lighting elements that change their look, depending on driving mode or conditions. The headlights are slimmer and more aggressive, often using advanced laser or matrix LED tech that can precisely shape the light beam, so you get maximum visibility without blinding other drivers. The body lines are cleaner but more muscular, giving even the sedans a planted, athletic stance, while SUVs and performance models look wider, lower, and more purposeful than ever. Step inside, and it honestly feels like a luxury lounge mixed with a high-tech cockpit. BMW has taken minimalism seriously in 2026. Physical buttons are reduced, but not in a frustrating way. Instead, everything feels intuitive. The curved display setup dominates the dashboard, lending a high-resolution digital instrument cluster with a massive central touchscreen. The graphics are razor-sharp, animations are smooth, and the interface is designed so even first-time users won't feel overwhelmed. Voice control is a huge highlight. You can talk to the car naturally, asking it to adjust climate settings, navigation, music, or even explain vehicle features in simple language. Materials inside the cabin are on another level. You'll find sustainable leather alternatives, recycled aluminum trims, open-pore wood, and ambient lighting that completely changes the mood of the interior. At night, the cabin feels almost cinematic, with soft light strips running across doors, dashboards, and center consoles. Seats are more supportive yet more comfortable, designed for long drives as much as spirited runs. Rear passengers aren't forgotten either. There's more legroom, better sound insulation, and advanced climate controls, even in non-flagship models. Now let's talk performance, because at the end of the day, this is BMW, and driving pleasure is still the core of everything. The 2026 lineup offers a wide range of powertrains, from highly efficient turbocharged engines to plug-in hybrids and fully electric models. The petrol and hybrid engines are more refined, more powerful, and cleaner than before, with improved fuel efficiency thanks to smarter engine management and lightweight construction. Acceleration feels effortless, whether you're cruising in comfort mode or pushing hard in sport mode. The electric BMW models for 2026 are especially impressive. They deliver instant torque, silent acceleration, and a driving experience that still feels unmistakably BMW. Steering remains precise, chassis balance is excellent, and the cars feel connected to the road rather than numb. Range anxiety is far less of a concern now, with larger battery packs, better energy management, and faster charging that can give you hundreds of kilometers of range in a short charging stop. For everyday drivers, it means less waiting and more driving. Handling is another area where BMW clearly focused its efforts. Adaptive suspension systems read the road in real time, adjusting damping for comfort or performance, depending on how you're driving. In city traffic, the ride is smooth and relaxed. On highways, the cars feel stable and confident. And when you take them to a twisty road, they tighten up, responding instantly to steering inputs. Even larger BMW SUVs feel surprisingly agile, proving that size no longer means sacrificing driving fun. Safety and driver assistance tech in the 2026 BMW models is borderline sci-fi. Advanced systems can handle highway driving with minimal input, keeping the car centered in its lane, maintaining safe distances, and even changing lanes smoothly when prompted. Parking is easier than ever, with 360-degree cameras, automated parking features, and memory functions that can guide the car in and out of tight spaces it has learned before. These systems aren't just about convenience. They actively reduce stress and increase confidence, especially for new or less experienced drivers. One of the most impressive things about the 2026 BMW lineup is how customizable everything feels. Driving modes don't just change throttle response. They alter steering weight, suspension behavior, sound profiles, interior lighting, and even display themes. You can make the car feel calm and luxurious for daily commutes, or sharp and aggressive when you're in the mood to drive. BMW has clearly focused on making the car adapt to the driver, not the other way around. Then there's connectivity. Smartphones integrate seamlessly. Updates happen over the air without dealership visits. And your BMW can actually improve over time. New features, improved performance tuning, and enhanced software functions can be added long after you've bought the car. It's like owning a device that keeps getting better rather than outdated. What really makes the 2026 BMW models stand out is how they balance all of this. They're high-tech without feeling cold, luxurious without being boring, and powerful without being intimidating. Whether you're a hardcore driving enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who just wants a comfortable and reliable daily car with a premium feel, BMW has clearly designed something for you. In simple terms, BMW didn't just refresh their lineup for 2026. They reimagined what a modern car should be. Smarter, faster, safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable to drive. These cars don't just move you from one place to another. They make every journey feel special. And honestly, once you see what BMW has done for 2026, it's hard not to believe that this is the future of driving, happening right now.